Best Investment Apps for Beginners 2022. Hey guys, today we're going to list the best investment apps for beginners in 2022. Let's get right into it. Number 7, Stockpile. Stockpile provides commission-free stock and ETF trades, as well as some unique features that complement its $0 commission fee structure. Stockpile allows for fractional share investing and the gifting of stock via gift cards, making it ideal for the youngest investors. If you're a parent, grandparent, aunt, uncle, or another relative who wants to teach a child about the stock market, Stockpile is ideal for you. Number 6, Robinhood. Robinhood was an early adopter of the no-commission brokerage model. It is still a good option for beginners because it allows them to invest in stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies with no commissions. Typical stock and ETF investors will be able to use Robinhood for free, though premium accounts with additional features will be available for a monthly fee beginning of $5. Furthermore, Robinhood provides commission-free cryptocurrency trading for a variety of digital assets. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and other cryptocurrencies are among them. However, Robinhood has a history of controversy surrounding downtime and how some users were able to enter extremely risky trades that they were unaware of. As with any investment app, it's critical for Robinhood traders to understand the risks of what they're doing so that they can invest in accordance with their objectives and avoid unexpected losses. Number 5, Public.com. When you're new to the stock market, it can be intimidating to conduct your own research and selection of stocks and other investments. Public combines social network features like Facebook and Twitter with traditional brokerage features. As a result, the app is ideal for beginners learning their way around the markets. You can not only learn from other experts' portfolios by following their posts in the public feed, but you can also create group chats with other users and participate in live investing events and conversations. You can also invest in over 25 cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. However, each crypto transaction will incur a 1 or 2% markup. It should be noted that crypto trading is not available to residents of New York, Guam, or the U.S. Virgin Islands. With fractional shares starting at $5, you can also invest in a large number of supported companies without committing to a full share. Public has also recently added alternative assets on its platform, allowing you to exchange art, NFTs, collectibles, and other items for 2.5% per transaction. Number 4, TD Ameritrade. If you are new to the markets and want to start trading actively, TD Ameritrade is a good place to start. It does not charge commissions on stock or ETF trades and provides multiple account platforms to accommodate different investment styles and goals. When you first start out, you'll most likely feel at most at ease with the main TD Ameritrade app. As your investment knowledge grows, you can progress to Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade's premier active trading platform. It has a plethora of features that are extremely beneficial to active traders. Thinkorswim includes a feature that allows beginners to chat with an expert trader. Number 3, Acorns. Acorns is an investment app for people who know they should invest but lack the time or desire to manage it themselves. Acorns will handle everything for $3 per month. Automatic spare change investing via transaction roundups, automated transfers, retirement account savings, banking perks, and a fully automated investment plan are all part of it. And the platform invests your money in a diversified portfolio of ETFs for both of its pricing plans, Acorns Personal and Acorns Family. The main advantage of Acorns is its simplicity. The main disadvantage is that there is always a fee. This is arguably preferable to asset-based fee deductions, which change as your balance grows. You will pay the same amount each year if you pay the monthly fee. You'll have to pay $5 per month for additional accounts and features such as investment accounts for children. Number 2, Ally Invest. Simple and straightforward investment platforms often work well for beginners. Ally Invest provides this service via its mobile app. Stocks and ETFs have no commissions. Mutual fund trades have a $9.95 commission fee. There are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements to be concerned about. Furthermore, if you prefer to use a robo-advisor, Ally Invest managed portfolios will create a personalized portfolio of ETFs for you. The account offers 4 portfolio options: core, income, tax optimized, and socially responsible. You will only need a minimum of $100 to get started, and there will be no advisory fees. The Ally app, which is also used by Ally Bank, is simple and easy to use. It may not have as many bells and whistles as some active trading platforms, but it has everything a beginner and most passive investors may require. Number 1, SoFi. SoFi is a top choice for beginners due to its user-friendly platform and low pricing. SoFi Invest allows you to get started with just $1, and there are no trade commissions or recurring account fees. Even the managed portfolio product, SoFi Automated Investing, which picks and manages your ETFs for you, is free to use. The app lists stocks and ETFs by category, making it simple to look for potential investment opportunities. It does not have the most comprehensive investment research, but it has enough to get you started and guide your trading decisions. In addition to cryptocurrency trading, the app provides access to investment education articles. However, SoFi charges a 1.25% fee on cryptocurrency transactions. That's all for today, and we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.